Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making something very special because in honor of 4th of July, we are making an American flag cake. And I haven't made an American flag cake for a while, but I have one up as my profile picture, whichever way it is. Anyway, the reason I have that one up, and it was just a little mobile phone snap of a piece of cake on a paper plate. But I felt like an American flag cake really says American Baker, and that is what I would like to portray. But I had never actually filmed it to show you how to do it. So I decided I needed to correct that. So today we are making an American flag cake for the 4th of July. I'm very excited about this, so let's get started.
We start out with 1 thick layer blue, 2 thin layers of white, and 3 thin layers of red cake. I use a circle cutter to cut out the center of the blue, 1 white, and 1 red layer. Then I stack it with 1 red layer first, frosting, 1 white layer, frosting, red layer, frosting, then the blue ring and the white circle in the middle, frosting, and the red circle in the middle. Then I crumb coat the cake. This is vanilla cake dyed the various colors with food coloring, and the frosting is leftover Swiss meringue buttercream. For whatever reason though, the leftover buttercream looked rather transparent and just didn't have the color I wanted. Besides, it seemed wrong to use Swiss meringue buttercream on an American cake. So I switched to frosting the rest of the cake with vegan American buttercream, which is very white. I frosted it with a nice thick layer of white buttercream. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe for a new cake video every week, as well as regular bonus videos with recipes and tutorials. Now, using 3 different large open star tips with lots of teeth, also called French tips, I place my red, white, and blue buttercream in piping bags. Then I piped a row of red stars along the bottom of the cake. Then a row of white stars. Then a row of red stars, then a row of white stars, then a row of blue stars. I alternated the rows of blue with rows of blue and white to finish covering the top of the cake. This cake is for us, so I can show you the cut into the cake. The whole point of it is the cross section of the cake anyway. Check out that flag. I think this cake is super patriotic and perfect for a 4th of July party or American expatriate party. Be prepared for people to ask how you made the flag on the inside. It's not difficult, but if you don't know how, it can be confusing. Happy Independence Day! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe! must admit that I had originally planned a completely different piping design. I was going to use petal tips and make ruffles. But the buttercream had crusted slightly before I used it, so it had a few little chunks that continually clogged the tips. I eventually gave up and started over from the beginning.